Hey guys, today we'll be working on this box fan, or if you have similar Chevy, this is the gas version. And let's get started. First, to pop the hood, let's go inside. Like most vehicles, right here in this latch. Before you work on anything electrical, it's always best to unplug the battery. And sometimes you might have a second one, either located on that side, on the opposite side, or underneath the van. Usually they are located somewhere here on this side or on the other side. Usually on this side if you have a second one. So first thing, you need to remove this so you have access to the alternator. And to get to that, you have to remove two bolts, one here, one here. That's 10mm. I already removed that. Remove this plug right here, and the plug looks like this. What I did is this plastic, just pry it up. This thing goes up, and then once this is up, the gray plastic, you push on it and then take it off. Then you take a flathead, loosen this, and that should be loose. It's also best to remove the whole thing, so maybe you don't have to loosen these, just loosen the one on the way back, flathead, and the whole thing can come off. So you can grab an 8mm. So what you want to do is grab a 15mm, and it's located right in there. And what you want to do is tighten it. Once you push it this way, you can take the belt off. So now I loosen the belt. You can let go of the tensioner, and your belt is loose. Just remember the shape it goes, how it goes. So that's what the tension looks like. It's this piece right here. So what you want to do is next is loosen these two bolts. pry it on this. And then pull it up. Just don't pull up by wires. Just pry it and pull up. And then you have one more. And this is a 10mm. Once you do that, you're pretty much done taking it off. You just pull it carefully. And that's it. Either go test it or buy a new one if it's bad. So that will be it for this one. Also check your belt while you're at it. Make sure it's in good condition. I'm gonna replace mine. It has little cracks. It's probably still good, but since I'm here, I'm gonna replace it. Or check the tension, make sure it's good. And this will be it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.